I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create account on Skype. For that, first of all, open up your app. After you open up your app, tap on Let's Go to get started. After that, tap on Sign In or Create. To create account, tap on Create One. To create account, you can either use your phone number or your email address. For now, I'm going to use my email to create account. And when you're done, tap on Next. Now, set a password. Be sure that your password contains uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. When you're done, tap on Next. Enter your first name and last name, and then tap on Next. Now Skype will send you a verification code on your mail. Enter the code to verify and then tap on Next. You will have to now solve the puzzle to verify you are a human and not a robot. Pick a theme according to your preference and then tap on Continue, which is at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on Continue to sync your contacts. If you want Skype to access your microphone and camera, tap on Continue. This way you can sign up on Skype. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.